Dear students, good morning to everybody. Hope you are fine. Today we have a new chapter of animal physiology about digestion and absorption. Let's first have the introduction of the chapter. Food is one of the basic requirements of all living organisms. Major components of food include carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Vitamins and minerals are also required in small quantities. Food provides energy and organic materials for growth and repair of tissues. Water also plays an important part in the metabolic processes and also prevents dehydration. Biomacromolecules, that is proteins, nucleic acids, polysaccharides, lipids in food cannot be utilized by our body in their original form. Hence, they need to be broken down and converted into simple substances in the digestive system. This process of conversion of complex food substances to simple absorbable forms is called digestion and is carried out by our digestive system by mechanical and biochemical methods. Let's have some overview about the types of nutrients. Nutrients may be organic or inorganic in nature. Organic nutrients include carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and vitamins, whereas inorganic nutrients include minerals and water. Carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins are macronutrients or proximate principles of food because these constitute the energy sources for the production of heat and different organic functions. Minerals, vitamins, and water are micronutrients or protective principles of food. About 21 minerals, for example, sodium, potassium, calcium, sulfur, phosphorus, magnesium, chlorine, are macro elements, are known to be essential for human nutrition. They are required in larger amounts, more than 100 milligrams per day. Trace elements are microelements, for example, iron, iodine, zinc, manganese, cobalt, copper, molybdenum, etc., are required in very small amounts. Altogether, 20 vitamins are thought to be required in small amount for human nutrition. Now let's have some idea about the digestive system because our chapter is about digestion and absorption. Let's come to our topic now. Digestive system in human beings. The digestive system comprises of the alimentary canal and the associated glands. Alimentary canal starts with the mouth, which is anteriorly situated, and opens outside through the anus, which is posteriorly situated. The mouth leads to the buccal cavity or buccal cavity or oral cavity. The oral cavity has number of teeth and a muscular tongue. Now the teeth. Majority of mammals, including human beings, have two sets of teeth during their life, that is, one temporary set and one permanent set. A set of temporary milk or deciduous teeth replaced by a set of permanent or adult teeth. Such type of dentition is called diphyodont. Diphyodont means two sets. One temporary set that is replaced by a permanent or adult set. Each tooth is embedded in a socket of jawbone. This type of teeth attachment is called thecodont. An adult human has 32 permanent teeth, which are of four different types, namely incisors represented by letter I, canine represented by letter C, premolars represented by the letters PM, and molars represented by M. Such type of dentition is called heterodont dentition. The arrangement of teeth in each half of the upper and lower jaw in the order incisors, canines, premolars, and molars is represented by a dental formula. And the dental formula of human beings is 2123 2123 in upper and lower multiplied by 2, that is 8 by 8 into 2, that is 16 by 16, total 32. That means upper jaw is having 16 teeth and lower jaw 16 teeth. Out of 32 teeth, premolars and molars appear only once, that is they are monophyodont, and the remaining teeth are diphyodont. The hard chewing surface covering the teeth is made up of enamel, which helps in the mastication of food. This enamel is the hardest substance of the human body, secreted by amyloblast cell, which is ectodermal in origin. Now, human teeth are thecodont, heterodont, diphyodont, and bonodont. Now, something in the knowledge cloud. Elephant tusks, they are actually modified incisors or modified incisor, and walrus tusks are modified canine. The rest of the parts of the digestive system will be inshallah in our coming offline class.